most important thing for me as a driver, driving this car, is the sensation I have. This thing makes fun. This thing makes some fun.
I'm Patric Niederhauser. I'm an official factory driver for Lamborghini Squadra Corsa, currently racing the Temerario GT3 in the highest level of GT competition.
The most important thing for me as a driver is the connection I have with the car. Because every action I give to the car, I get immediate response from it. Throttle application, the responsiveness of the engine, direct reaction from the front axle, it is super precise. I don't need to think. There's really a connection that I have as a driver with the car.
The heart of the Temerario is its newly created V8 turbocharged 4-liter engine, which revs to up to 10,000 RPMs. This is absolutely unique, gives pure emotion to the driver. You go on throttle, it responds instantaneously. And then as a driver, you think now you have to shift up, but no, it just keeps going until the red zone. And this is when the goosebumps truly kick in. It feels like you're entering a different dimension and you're entering the Temerario zone. Is the car fast? Of course, it's crazy fast.
Around these tight and super nice corners, this car feels so engine.
It's incredible. This way, it redefines what a modern Lamborghini super sports car can be.